You wanna go see Grandma? Hi, you wanna go see Grandma? Where's Grandma? You're gonna see Grandma at home tomorrow. Yeah? Oh. You're gonna see Grandma. You wanna go see Grandma right now? Do you wanna go see Grandma right now? Yeah? Should go see Grandma? Alright, you're going. You going now? Where is she? Where's Grandma? Where's Great Grandma? Huh? I know. Why are you upside down? That's better. Good girl. Whoops. Up. Where are you going? Up. Where are you going? Munchkin.